To Exam Guru Center EGC YouTube channel. In this YouTube series named 5 Vocab, you will receive 5 English words with their meanings, synonyms, antonyms, and sentences on them. So let's get started. Our today's first word is plebiscite. Plebiscite means Janmat Sangrah, the direct vote of all the members of an electorate on an important public question such as change in the constitution. This word is mostly used in parliamentary constitutions, parliamentary meetings. Synonyms are, it has only synonyms, election pool or tally. Sentence, a plebiscite was held to decide the fate of the country. एक प्लेबिसाइट जनमत संग्रह हेल्ड हुआ कंट्री का फेट लक डिसाइड करने के लिए. If this had been a plebiscite, we would have won in a landslide. Next word is evicted. Evicted means निकाला हुआ. Expel someone from a property, especially with the support of the law. किसी को कानूनी तौर से किसी प्रॉपर्टी से निकालना. Synonyms are chase, dislodge, dismiss. Antonyms are hold, keep, admit. Sentence, they were evicted from their flat for not paying the rent. उन्हें उनके फ्लैट से निकाला गया for not paying the rent. They refused to leave and were forcibly evicted. उन्होंने जाने से मना किया और उन्हें ज़बरदस्ती निकाला गया. थर्ड वर्ड इज exonerated. Exonerated means बरी करना. Absolve someone from blame for a fault or wrongdoing. किसी को बरी करना किसी blame से. Synonyms are absolve, acquit, discharge. Antonyms are blame, convict, condemn. Sentence, the official report basically exonerated everyone. He was totally exonerated of any blame. Fourth word is aplenty. Aplenty, प्रचुरता. A sudden powerful forward or upward movement. एक sudden powerful upward or forward movement, especially by a crowd or by a natural force such as tide. Synonyms are generous, plenty, rich. Antonyms are conservative, economical. Let me correct myself. The meaning of aplenty is prachurta in abundance. Sentence is, there was a food aplenty. Food बहुत प्रचुरता में, बहुत abundance में है. Second sentence, climate change could indeed cause aplenty. Climate change बहुत बड़ा cause कर सकता है. Fifth word is crisis, संकट. A time of intense difficulty or danger. Synonyms are calamity, emergency, disaster. Antonyms are calm, rest, settlement. Sentence, economic crisis recur periodically. इकोनॉमी में क्राइसिस जो हैं वो संकट आते रहते हैं periodically. Two more potential crises are bubbling under the surface. दो और क्राइसिस सरफेस के अंदर बबलिंग हो रहे हैं. So I hope you will added your 5 new words in your vocabulary section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Also don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will receive our daily news. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.